In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Qatar Airways coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. So first of all, go to your web browser and right here you have to search for Qatar Airways coupon code. Right here, go to this website which is called voucher codes. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and you can use this one in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this 20%, 12% discount of flights from Heathrow. All you need to do is just select right here this little icon to copy this promo code. So you can simply select this button and copy the promo code, and you can use this one in order to get the 12% discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Groupon. And as you can see, we also have right here some promo codes as well as some deals that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say that you want to get this one with up to 12% discount of Italy flights. All you need to do is just select this button where it says C code. And right here, this is our promo code. You can simply tap on this green button to copy the promo code and use it in order to get a 12% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.